To start a new project in Plant 3D that is based on Sovelia Plant functionalities, you will need to run the command rename copy project. This will make sure you have all predefined settings and files necessary for Sovelia Plant to work properly. Here you can see an example of what's missing in the project when using Plant 3D standard create new project, even though we have checked copy settings from existing project. On the left you can see Plant 3D standard, and on the right you will see Sovelia Plant. It is clear that a few things varies from the two projects. For Sovelia to work, we will need these extra folders and files. If you just installed Sovelia Plant and open an old standard Plant 3D project, you will now get the option to copy the settings files to the correct project. Find the template project provided to you from Symetri under the following path and select the project folder. To create a new project, now start the function in Sovelia called rename copy project and follow the instructions. Select your template project and decide if you want to make a copy or rename. Click Next and set the destination, project name and description. You can also fill in the project number if you have one, and now click Finish. Your project is created and ready to be opened. To rename a project, simply run the command rename copy project and select the target project. Make sure you have rename selected and click Next. Fill in the new project name, description and project number, then click Next. Your project is now ready to be opened.